Right. What?
Introduction.
Are you gonna do it? Are we gonna say like our names again, or just gonna?
No.
No.
Hey.
Hey, it's Kandy Trash again, and we are here to react to 17's new video. Very nice, yeah. So,
I have to wait 2 days for this.
2 days for this. I know, I really want because I don't sleep ever. Like, I really wanted to watch it as soon as it came out.
But no.
I may have been watching dramas all day and then forgot to come over here. That's okay. So yeah, we're going to react to this and we're really excited because we're going to go see them in a month and I'm like gonna cry just a lot. So yeah,
Is it in a month? Or like
it's like
2 months. 2 months.
It's about 2 months.
Yeah,
it's
about
like the 28th of August or something.
Yeah,
so
August.
yeah, and I'm just okay.
Okay.
Right.
Are you ready for this?
Are we ready?
Okay.
I don't know if we're ready.
Oh,
Too loud. Oh, stop this.
I like their clothes.
Just aesthetic on
Suspenders.
point.
Just suspenders.
Just any dancing with suspenders. He kind of looks like Cal over there. I don't know why. Just the hair. Oh man.
What happened there?
I don't know. Oh, it was burning. Shut up! So beautiful. Oh man, exploding confetti.
Very nice.
Oh,
Very nice.
where's that coming from? Oh, so pretty. What is with his oversized polo? Like, hey, I'm a frat boy from the 90s.
Like
I know.
Yeah.
It looks really nice, I like it.
Yeah.
Oh man. Oh man. Okay. B8 brush. June, good on. See, I know some. I know.
You know so many of them.
I know so many. Oh, Johnny has still got his long hair.
I thought he cut it. What?
He must have cut it like after.
Okay.
Oh, they're so pretty.
His hair is not that good. No offensive.
He's prettier than me. Okay. Oh, thanks. Brutal. Savage.
Hey.
Right.
You gotta face the truth.
I gotta face the truth. Korean boys are prettier than me.
Yeah. Just all of them who can pass off as girls.
I know. He looks older now.
Who? What?
What is he?
Oh. Yeah, still like 16.
I know, but he's like 2 years older than us. What the hell?
That's a really high hoop. What?
I know.
What?
Get Chris on that. I'm sure he could aim for that.
Conveniently placed sofa underneath.
No, I really like this set though. Oh my god, where does this
I
confetti
like
come
this
from?
aesthetic. It's nice.
I know.
It's very tactful.
I actually really like this song too, like I'm telling you. It really suits 17.
Yeah. Is that supposed to like symbolize their heart?
They're heartbreaking probably. Or
Heartbreaking?
exploding. Not breaking, I don't know.
It doesn't look angsty enough to me.
Not anything. Oh, that was cool. Oh man, I'm gonna learn that. Actually, I don't have enough friends to learn that, but...
It's sad reality. I wonder how they did that. What was like the, you know...
I wonder if, like, it was actually...
Did they, like... How do they do it?
Did they, like, actually legit do that? Because I would probably have shat my pants. if it was actually an explosion, or if that was just special effects. I don't know. Like, it is like every time just be like, I'm bracing myself. Good job, 17.
Yeah. Really like this setting. Okay, anyway, that's
Anyway, that's the end of the reaction video.
Yeah.
Give us any more suggestions for what to react to next.
Comments down below.
And yeah, have a good week.
So awkward. Okay.